Hawaii. The name evokes images of paradise, a place where dreams come true and love stories are written in the sands of time. Imagine exchanging vows on pristine beaches, the turquoise ocean stretching endlessly before you, the gentle waves serenading your special moment. Feel the gentle trade winds carrying the sweet scent of plumeria as the vibrant flowers sway in harmony with your joy. Hawaii offers a magical setting for your dream wedding, where every sunset paints the sky with hues of romance and every moment feels timeless. Whether you envision an intimate gathering with your closest loved ones or a grand celebration with all your friends and family, Hawaii has something for everyone. The islands cater to every dream, every wish, and every desire. Each island boasts unique charm and breathtaking landscapes, from lush rainforests to volcanic craters, offering endless possibilities for your wedding backdrop. From the iconic shores of Waikiki, with Diamond Head standing majestically in the background, to the rugged beauty of Kauai's coastline, your perfect backdrop awaits, ready to be the stage for your love story. Your love story deserves a celebration as extraordinary as your bond, a day filled with moments that will be cherished forever. Let Hawaii be the canvas upon which you paint the memories of a lifetime, where every brushstroke is a moment of joy, love, and togetherness. Say aloha to romance and embark on a wedding adventure that will forever hold a special place in your hearts. Let the spirit of aloha guide you as you start this beautiful journey together, surrounded by the natural beauty and warm hospitality of Hawaii. Imagine exchanging vows as the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the Pacific Ocean. The gentle sound of waves lapping against the shore, the soft rustle of palm trees swaying in the breeze, and the warm sand beneath your feet create a magical atmosphere that is simply unparalleled. This is the essence of a Hawaiian beach wedding, where nature's beauty enhances the romance of the moment. Hawaii's scenic beauty sets the stage for unforgettable wedding ceremonies. From the pristine beaches to the lush tropical gardens, every corner of this paradise offers a picturesque backdrop for your special day. The vibrant colors of the flowers, the clear blue skies, and the stunning ocean views all come together to create a setting that is both breathtaking and serene. On Oahu, the iconic Diamond Head provides a dramatic backdrop for beachside nuptials. Imagine standing with your loved one, with the majestic volcanic crater in the background as you exchange vows. The combination of the natural beauty and the historical significance of Diamond Head makes it a truly unique and memorable location for your wedding. Kauai's lush valleys and cascading waterfalls create a sense of secluded romance. The island's natural beauty is unparalleled, with its verdant landscapes and tranquil waterfalls providing a serene and intimate setting for your wedding. Whether you choose to say your vows by a hidden waterfall or in a secluded valley, Kauai offers a sense of privacy and romance that is hard to find elsewhere. Maui's Haleakala volcano offers a majestic setting for a sunrise ceremony. Imagine starting your new life together as the first rays of sunlight illuminate the sky, casting a golden glow over the volcanic landscape. The breathtaking views from the summit of Haleakala, combined with the tranquility of the early morning hours, create a truly unforgettable experience. From intimate gardens to grand resorts, Hawaii offers a venue for every style and budget. Whether you envision a small private ceremony surrounded by tropical flowers or a lavish celebration at a luxury resort, Hawaii has something to offer. The diverse range of venues ensures that you can find the perfect location to match your vision and create the wedding of your dreams. Whether you dream of saying "I do" barefoot on the sand or in a charming chapel overlooking the ocean, Hawaii has the perfect setting for your wedding. The island's natural beauty and diverse venues provide endless possibilities for creating a unique and memorable ceremony. Imagine walking down the aisle with the sound of the ocean in the background, or exchanging vows in a quaint chapel with stunning ocean views. You'll find the perfect place to begin your happily ever after. Hawaii's enchanting landscapes and romantic settings make it the ideal destination for your wedding. Whether you choose a beach, garden, or resort venue, you can be sure that your special day will be filled with beauty, love, and unforgettable memories. Start your journey together in paradise and create a wedding that you and your guests will cherish forever. Embrace the island spirit with wedding attire that reflects the beauty of your surroundings. Flowing gowns and light fabrics capture the gentle breeze. Floral accents, whether in bouquets or hair adornments, add a touch of tropical elegance. Hawaii's natural beauty provides an idyllic backdrop for stunning wedding photography, Capture the joy of your special day against breathtaking sunsets, lush rainforests, and sparkling ocean waves. Choose a photographer who specializes in capturing the essence of Hawaii. Their expertise will ensure that your wedding photos become cherished keepsakes, preserving the magic of your special day for years to come. Treat your guests to a culinary journey through the flavors of Hawaii. Fresh seafood, tropical fruits, and traditional dishes like kalua pig and poke will tantalize their taste buds. No Hawaiian wedding is complete without a taste of the island's signature dessert, Hawaiian wedding cake. Layers of moist vanilla cake are filled with pineapple and whipped cream, then covered in a sweet coconut frosting. For a truly immersive experience, consider a traditional luau reception. Guests can enjoy live music, hula dancing, and a feast of authentic Hawaiian cuisine. Your wedding celebration will be a feast for the senses. Section 5. Beyond the ceremony, extending the celebration. Your Hawaiian wedding is just the beginning of your adventure. Extend the celebration with a honeymoon filled with romance and exploration. Indulge in couples massages, savor sunset dinners on the beach, and discover hidden waterfalls nestled in lush rainforests. Learn to surf, snorkel through coral reefs teeming with marine life, or simply relax and soak up the sun on pristine beaches. Each island offers unique experiences. Island hop to discover volcanic landscapes, ancient Hawaiian cultural sites, and charming towns. Your honeymoon in Hawaii will be a journey of discovery and unforgettable memories. Section 6. Planning your Hawaiian dream tips and considerations. Planning a destination wedding requires careful consideration and organization. Start by setting a budget and creating a timeline. Research venues, vendors, and legal requirements for getting married in Hawaii. Hiring a professional wedding planner specializing in destination weddings can alleviate stress and ensure a seamless experience. They can assist with everything from vendor recommendations to logistics and legal paperwork. Remember to factor in travel and accommodation costs for yourself and your guests. Booking flights and accommodations in advance, especially during peak season, is crucial to secure the best rates and availability. Section 7. Real love stories, couples who said yes to Hawaii. Hawaii, with its breathtaking landscapes and serene beaches, has become a dream destination for couples looking to tie the knot. The islands offer a unique blend of romance, adventure, and natural beauty that is hard to find anywhere else. Our Hawaiian wedding was everything we ever dreamed of and more, says Sarah, who married her husband David on the island of Maui. The gentle waves, the golden sands, and the vibrant sunsets made their special day truly magical. They felt like they were in a paradise created just for them. The stunning scenery, the warm hospitality, and the magic of the islands created a truly unforgettable experience. Every moment felt like a scene from a fairy tale, with the lush greenery and the crystal-clear waters providing the perfect backdrop for their love story. We wanted a wedding that was both romantic and adventurous, shares Chris, who exchanged vows with his wife Emily on Kauai. The island's rugged cliffs and pristine beaches offered the perfect mix of excitement and intimacy. They spent their days exploring hidden waterfalls and their evenings watching the stars. Hawaii provided the perfect backdrop for our love story, and we can't wait to return for our anniversary. The memories we created there are etched in our hearts forever. From the traditional Hawaiian music to the delicious local cuisine, every detail was perfect. These are just a few stories from the countless couples who have chosen Hawaii as the setting for their dream weddings. Each couple brings their own unique story, but they all share a common thread: the magic of Hawaii. The islands have a way of bringing people closer together and creating memories that last a lifetime. Their experiences are a testament to the magic and allure of these enchanting islands. Whether it's the stunning sunsets, the warm ocean breeze, or the rich cultural traditions, Hawaii has a special way of making every wedding unforgettable. For those who say yes to Hawaii, the islands promise a love story that will be cherished forever. Section 8. Your Hawaiian wedding adventure begins today. Are you ready to say "I do" amidst the beauty of paradise? Your Hawaiian wedding adventure awaits. Contact our team of expert wedding planners to start planning your dream wedding in Hawaii. We'll help you create a celebration that reflects your unique love story, and exceeds your expectations. Visit our website or follow us on social media for more inspiration and information on planning your unforgettable Hawaiian wedding. Section 9. Aloha and Mahalo. Embracing the spirit of Hawaii. Aloha is more than just a greeting in Hawaii, it's a way of life. It's about embracing the beauty of your surroundings, treating others with kindness and respect, and living in harmony with nature. As you plan your Hawaiian wedding, remember to embrace the spirit of aloha. Let the island's natural beauty inspire you, and let the warmth of the Hawaiian people fill your hearts with joy. Mahalo, thank you, for considering Hawaii as the destination for your dream wedding. We wish you a lifetime of love, happiness, and unforgettable memories in paradise.